Imagine a world where machines don't just follow instructions, but learn from experience, make decisions, and solve complex problems like humans. This is not science fiction. This is artificial intelligence. Welcome to Chapter 3, Artificial Intelligence. In this lecture, you will learn what artificial intelligence is, what intelligence really means, components and disciplines of AI, need and goals of AI, advantages and disadvantages of AI. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial means man-made. Intelligence means thinking power. Artificial intelligence can be defined as the ability of machines to learn and solve problems. It is also defined as a branch of computer science and engineering that creates intelligent machines which can think like humans, behave like humans, make decisions. Understanding intelligence. To understand AI, we must first understand intelligence. Intelligence is the ability to acquire and apply knowledge. Knowledge is information gained through experience. Experience is knowledge obtained through training and exposure. Components of intelligence. Human intelligence is composed of reasoning, learning, problem-solving, perception, linguistic intelligence. These components form the foundation of artificial intelligence systems. Core concepts in AI. Two key concepts in AI include 1. Machine learning, a fundamental concept that allows machines to learn from data. 2. Deep learning, a specialized area of machine learning that uses neural networks with multiple hidden layers. Understanding the structure of AI. Let us now understand the structure of artificial intelligence using the figure shown. This figure presents AI as a system with multiple layers and components. On the right side of the figure, we see 3 concentric layers. The outer layer is artificial intelligence. Inside it is machine learning. At the core is deep learning. This shows a clear relationship. Machine learning is a subset of AI. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning. In simple terms, all deep learning is machine learning, and all machine learning is part of AI, but not all AI is deep learning. Branch view of AI, left side of figure. On the left side, the figure shows different branches of AI. 1. Machine learning, ML, includes supervised learning, unsupervised learning, deep learning. These techniques allow systems to learn from data and improve performance. 2. Natural language processing, NLP, focuses on human language, includes tasks such as content extraction, classification, machine translation, question answering, text generation. This allows machines to understand and generate human language. 3. Vision, computer vision, deals with visual data, includes image recognition, machine vision. This enables machines to interpret images and videos. 4. Speech processing, includes speech-to-text and text-to-speech. This allows machines to understand and produce human speech. 5. Expert systems. These are AI systems that simulate decision-making of human experts, used in fields like medicine, engineering, business decision-making. 6. Planning and robotics. These involve decision-making systems, physical robots performing tasks. Robotics combines AI with mechanical systems to act in the real world. Key insight from the figure. This figure shows that AI is not a single technology. It is a combination of multiple fields working together to create intelligent systems. Each branch focuses on a different capability: learning from data, understanding language, seeing and interpreting images, interacting with the physical world. Simple real-world example. Consider a self-driving car. Machine learning learns driving patterns. Computer vision detects roads and objects. NLP processes voice commands. Robotics controls vehicle movement. All these components work together to create a complete AI system. What comprises artificial intelligence? AI is not a single field. It combines multiple disciplines, including computer science, mathematics, statistics, cognitive science, engineering. These disciplines work together to build intelligent systems. Need for artificial intelligence. Why do we need AI? AI is needed to create expert systems, solve complex problems, learn and improve over time, explain and advise users. AI helps machines solve problems in a human-like way using algorithms. Goals of artificial intelligence. The main goals of AI include replicating human intelligence, solving knowledge-intensive tasks, connecting perception and action, building systems that perform human-like tasks, creating systems that can learn independently. AI aims to build machines that can think, learn, and act intelligently. Advantages of artificial intelligence. AI offers many benefits. 1. High accuracy. AI systems reduce human errors and improve precision. 2. High speed. AI processes information and makes decisions quickly. 3. High reliability. AI systems can work continuously without fatigue. 4. Useful in risky areas. AI can perform dangerous tasks instead of humans. 5. Digital assistants. AI powers smart assistants used in daily life. 6. Public utility. AI improves services like transportation and communication. 7. Natural language processing. AI enables machines to understand human language. Disadvantages of artificial intelligence. Despite its benefits, AI has limitations. The first one is high cost. Developing AI systems requires significant resources. 2. Lack of creativity. AI cannot think beyond its programmed data. 3. No emotions. AI lacks human feelings and emotional understanding. 4. Dependence on machines. Overuse of AI may reduce human skills. 5. No original thinking. AI cannot generate truly original ideas like humans. Real-world examples across fields. AI is already part of daily life. In healthcare, AI helps diagnose diseases and analyze medical data. In business, AI improves customer insights and decision-making. In agriculture, AI optimizes crop production and resource usage. Education, AI supports personalized learning and smart tutoring. Transportation, AI enables navigation systems and autonomous vehicles. Why this matters to you? Artificial intelligence is shaping every profession. Understanding AI helps you work with modern technologies, solve real-world problems, improve efficiency, stay competitive in your career. Conclusion. In this lecture, we have learned what artificial intelligence is, the meaning of intelligence, components of intelligence, need and goals of AI, advantages and disadvantages. Artificial intelligence is not just technology, it is a system that learns, thinks, and transforms the way we live. In the next episode, we will explore history of artificial intelligence, levels of AI, types of AI, capabilities and functionality. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.